Hi guys, today I just met the creator of this game, and while I was trying to find an egg, I saw the real girl who made this, Marliina. She's actually real. As No, seriously, she's real. As you could see over there, right there. She's real. I met her just right now, and I'm trying to find eggs. But I met her. I never met her. I never met a creator of this game before. Well, I actually met Call Me Bob. But I can't believe it. I'm catching this on camera. Oh my god. Oh my god. Egg. An egg. Give me that. Okay, I'm gonna end it for now. She's so pretty. She made this game, guys, by the way. Here's a screenie. Oh my god. I put this on YouTube. I just yelled that out loud, like right there. But and now I'm ended for right here, guys. As you can see, I'm a noob. I don't care. Now, bye.